Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today we are going to learn about XLOOKUP, and this function is only available in Office 365. So if you are using any other version, then this function may not be available to you. So let's begin. So what is XLOOKUP? Basically XLOOKUP is an enhanced version of lookups. So let me show you. So I have taken 4 examples over here to clarify XLOOKUP. Here is my raw data, and you may see there are some names which are repeating. So I am going to take those examples also. So let's begin. Let's try to understand XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arguments. So again, the lookup value is as similar as VLOOKUP. So lookup value is this. So I'm going to search this, comma. Now in VLOOKUP we generally have table array, but we don't have table array in our XLOOKUP. So what we are going to do, we are going to search select our lookup array. So lookup array is where your lookup value is consisting. So lookup array is this. Since my lookup value is in this column, so lock it, press F4, comma. Now return array. So from where do you want the answer? So I want the answer in this column. So lock it, comma. Now we will try to understand these three in other examples. So skip, close the parentheses and control enter. Now drag and drop. As you can see, what it is doing, it is taking my first value. Since Vikal Jain is 2 times, so it is taking first value. Komal Jain again 2 times, first value, and Renu Jain is only once, so there is no problem with Renu Jain. So let's take second example. So again I'm going to take the XLOOKUP. Now we don't need to be worried about the sequence of our columns. So since we are selecting both columns in different arrays, so we may uh, select your data from left to right or right to left. So it will not create a problem at all. So lookup value is this, comma. Now again lookup array is this, lock it, F4, return array this, lock it, F4. Now this one, if not found, so it is basically covering your if error function. So for example, if something will not found in your data, then what do you want? You want blank, you want 0, anything you want. So I'm taking NA, not applicable. So control enter. Now drag and drop. As you can see, Mr. Om Yadav is not in the list, so it is showing NA. So let's take the third example. So we look up, sorry, XLOOKUP. So basically we are using VLOOKUP multiple times, so generally we don't consider XLOOKUP. That's why I'm taking VLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP, lookup value is this. Now we can see here is only first name appearing in the list, while it has the both names, first name and the last name. So what we need to do, we need to use the while character when we are finding the value of anything. So lookup array is this one once again. So lock it, comma, return array is this. Now what do you want if not found? I am not taking this, so I'm just skipping it. Now there are again 4 match more type here. Exact match, as we use in VLOOKUP. One, again the approximate match, and -1 is the least approximate match. Now here is the 2 wild character match, so I'm using that 2. Now close the parentheses, but wait for a second. We need to use asterisk here, since Vickle is not going to uh, deal with this data. We need to use asterisk. So, and I'm using asterisk now. Control enter, and you can see again it is taking the first example. So it is covering Vikal Sharma also. So asterisk basically covered multiple characters, and question mark is cover only one character. So here it is, Om. So here it is. Now, if we want our uh, data from top to down, we can use simply these examples. But what if we want from bottom to top, then we can use the last argument, that is search mode. So lookup value is again once again comma, lookup array is this one, comma, return array is this one. I don't need this one. Now search mode, if you want last to first, then you can use -1, close the parentheses and control enter. Now it is taking the last name in the list. So we lookup don't have this feature. So here it is, Om Yadav is not in the list. So you may use the fourth argument from the XLOOKUP. So this is the basic examples of XLOOKUP. So keep enjoying and keep